Hi, welcome to How to Repair. Today I'm at a camper park which is in a place called, if I pronounce this correctly, Trasmoz. This is in the centre of Spain, so if you're coming from the ferries and heading to the Mediterranean, this is a halfway point for you. It's in a beautiful picturesque town and they have a castle up on the hill. This is a totally new facility. Now what they have got here is electricity, grey water, cassette toilet emptying, but the access at the moment is a little bit tricky because it is on a steep sloping bank. I had some serious trouble getting in here with this, but I've just spoken to the maintenance lady here and they are concreting the path all the way up. It is quite an incline, but it is manageable. If I can get this lump of a vehicle up here, which is 9 meters long, front wheel drive, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to get your normal campers up here. Now the view here is stunning. They have a restaurant in the town and a local bar. You have electricity hookup. It's a 6 amp supply, 1800 watts, and it's €4 for 24 hours. You also have grey water facilities and also filling facilities, but the filling facilities are charged, but I can't see a label on the machine to tell you the exact price. But knowing most of these Spanish airs, it will be somewhere in the region of €1 or €2 to fill your tank up with water. Grey water dumping and also toilet cassette emptying. But the one thing that really does make this spectacular is they have actually put a little swimming pool in at the front. You will have to pay for it in the summer, and I believe it's either €2 or €4 if my Spanish was correct, understanding the maintenance lady, and she wasn't too sure either. But let me just show you round and show you the access into this place. As you can see in the background, the police do come round here regularly, so the security is good. The town is very picturesque, but what you are going to have problems with is coming in here and going up here is quite a steep climb. I managed with a 9 meter rig, but it is quite a hard climb and it is quite a sharp turn. Okay, entering this campsite is a bit of an incline and it is quite difficult, but the views and the facilities are well worth it. You need to come hard over to the left and have a little bit of momentum going when entering this slope. This slope is a little bit steep for campers, but due to the location of the town, they had to do it this way. Let's take you up to have a look at the swimming pool and the other facilities that are available. Now this is the part that gets a bit slippy. They haven't concreted it yet, but it is under construction. Today is November 2024, and the maintenance lady did say to me that this was all going to be finished within 6 to 12 months. The facilities here are nearly finished. You've got a stunning swimming pool, you've got shower changing, toilet facilities, everything you need is here to have a great holiday. You've got to remember, this is approximately 3.5 hours from Santander or Bilbao, and it's on the way to the Mediterranean, to Barcelona, or if you're going down to Madrid, both of those cities are within a 3.5 to 4 hour drive. It is an absolute stunning location, and when they finish this road system, it will be a must-stay place. Okay, the actual entrance to the park is here. You've got security barrier facilities, and I've already shown you around the facilities in here. This is a really nice location, and the town above is well worth visiting. I hope you enjoyed this review. Thanks very much indeed for watching.